Hey fam, what's up and what's good? Creepypasta here, coming at you again with another Pokemon cards video. This time I want to show you some I think very special cards. These are pretty much near mint, or as close to mint as you can get, I would say, pretty much. Got Gen 1 Blastoise, holo obviously, just an amazing condition card. A Venusaur, Gen 1 of course. I've never, that's actually, those things there from a sticker that was on it, they're not actually on the card itself, guys. These are pretty close. I mean, there's a little bit of whiting in there, but that's the best condition Venusaur I've ever seen in my life. And I've got a Raichu here, holo of course, which I'm really pleased with as well. So yeah, I mean, these are some fantastic cards. So obviously with that done, I will have the entire front page of my booklet completed. There's a Charizard there. I'll have the entire front page completed. That's pretty awesome. Oh, that was a gidgeon. Right, at least on the top loaders, no damage or anything. So there you go, guys. I need to sort out this office. It's such a mess in here. Anyway, thanks.